Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can crop photos on Snapseed. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Snapseed app, which can be downloaded through App Store. Click on the plus sign, which allows you to enter your gallery and import any photos. So choose any photos that you like. For example, this one. To crop this photo, on the bottom side you can see there are three options, that is looks, tools and export. Tab on tools, and on the first row, last one, you can see crop. To crop photos, you can simply move this upwards and downwards to which you want to crop the photo, and you simply have to click on tick mark, which is on the bottom right corner. To measure the ratio of the photo and do it, you can click on the bottom right side besides the tick mark. Click on this and you can manage according to the ratio that you want. You can do it freebase, square, or any other ratio in other ratio. And that is how you crop a photo in Snapseed. Click on tick mark, and that is all. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.